Welcome back my YouTube channel Dollar Mint Old Coin. Could you be holding a hidden treasure in your pocket? Imagine a simple €1 coin from Spain being worth not just 1 cent, but an incredible $5,000. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, stay tuned, because in today's video, I'll reveal why this tiny coin has sparked global curiosity and how you can check if your coin is worth a fortune. Don't miss a second. This could change your life. Let's start with the basics. The €1 coin from Spain was minted in 2012, part of the European Union currency system. It's small, copper-colored, and usually overlooked. But did you know that certain variations of this coin can sell for thousands of dollars in auctions and collectors' markets? Let's dive deeper into what makes this coin so special. There are several factors that can make this coin valuable. 1. Minting errors. Some coins have rare mistakes, like double designs, off-center strikes, or unusual shapes. 2. Low mintage. If fewer coins were produced in a specific year, their rarity increases over time. 3. Demand among collectors. Coins from certain years or designs are in higher demand. Now, the 2012 Spanish euro cent has a few known variations that collectors are chasing. One of the most famous is the coin with a misprinted map design on the reverse side. But how do you spot this in your own coin collection? I'll show you shortly. Alright, let's get practical. Grab your coins and follow along. Here's how you can check if your coin is worth $5,000:1. Inspect the date. Make sure the coin is from 2012. This is crucial. 2. Look for minting errors. Examine the coin's reverse side carefully. Are there any design flaws? Does the map of Europe look slightly off or incomplete? 3. Condition matters. Coins in uncirculated or near-perfect condition are worth more. Check for scratches or discoloration. If you don't have a magnifying glass, use a high-resolution camera or smartphone for better clarity. Why do people pay $5,000 for a €1 coin? It's all about rarity and the collector's mindset. Let me share some examples. In 2019, a rare €1 coin from Italy fetched over $6,000 at auction due to a unique minting error. A similar Spanish coin from 2012 sold for $5,000, and the buyer described it as the crown jewel of their collection. These stories prove that with a little luck, your everyday coins can turn into a gold mine. Found a rare coin? Here's what you need to do. 1. Authenticate the coin. Take it to a professional coin appraiser or numismatics expert. 2. Check online marketplaces. Platforms like eBay, heritage auctions, and specialized coin websites are great places to start. 3. Engage in auctions. List your coin in reputable auctions for the best chance of a high bid. Pro tip. Always research the market value before selling to avoid underselling your treasure. Before we wrap up, I have a challenge for you. Go through your coin collection and look for a 2012 €1 coin from Spain. Share your findings in the comments below. Who knows, you might be sitting on a hidden gem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting coin discoveries. Thanks for watching, and happy coin hunting!